So I came up on a spot on the bank, and with the tide so low, there are these huge, smooth mud banks. They're just perfectly smooth. So when you see a log or a stump sticking up, you see it right away. This was wholly different. It looked like a giant dinosaur backbone arcing up out of the mud. And I was still hundreds of yards away when I first saw it. As I got closer, it came more and more into focus, and I realized there was a huge group of wood up in the front, which was clearly the bow of a ship. I mean, I could tell immediately. It had that classic, ship shape. So as I pulled up and got within a few feet of it, still on my boat, I got very excited. These folks were sort of adrift down here in coastal Alabama. They ended up working, making a little bit of money. Some had learned trades during their time as slaves, and they farmed. They actually bought some land, and they bought it from the steamboat captain / plantation owner who brought them here, who kidnapped them here to America. They bought some land from him, and they made a community called Africatown. Some of the descendants of the original slaves brought on the Clotilda actually still live there. So the reaction here has been really powerful. I am getting a stream of emails from people who say, my great-great-great-grandparents were on that ship. The last survivor died in 1935 in Mobile. He was 94 years old. So, it was a very powerful reaction here.